According to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, inside this parentheses we have 3 minus 5, which gives us negative 2. So 2 minus 5 then times negative 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we do 5 times negative 2, which gives us negative 10. So 2 minus negative 10. Negative times negative gives us positive. So 2 plus 10, which equals 12. And this is our final answer to this problem.